In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to A/B test campaigns in Moosend. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a clean, reliable test so you can make data-driven decisions and improve your email performance with confidence. First, head into your Moosend account and go to the Campaigns section. Look for the option to create new campaign. This is your starting point for every send, and it keeps all your settings and content organized in one place. Starting a fresh campaign also helps you keep test variables tidy so you can measure what truly made the difference. Next, choose A/B test campaign. This tells Moosend you're running a controlled experiment, not a standard send. An A/B test creates two or more versions of the same campaign with one key difference, so you can compare outcomes fairly. Selecting the A/B option unlocks testing features like audience splitting and timing that aren't available in a regular campaign. Now set the variables you want to test. This is where the strategy comes in. Common choices include the subject line, the sender name or address, and the email content itself. If you're testing a subject line, keep the email body identical across versions, so the subject line is the only change driving results. If you're testing content, vary one element at a time, such as the hero image, the call to action phrasing, or the layout. Keep differences meaningful but focused. That way, when you see a lift in opens or clicks, you'll know exactly what caused it. After that, select your audience split and test duration. Decide what portion of your list will receive each version. A larger split for the test group can give you faster, more confident results, while a smaller split preserves more of your audience for the eventual winning version. Then set how long the test should run. Choose a window that captures your typical engagement pattern, long enough to gather statistically useful data, but not so long that the moment passes. If available, confirm the event you care about most, like open rate for subject tests or click rate for content tests, so the test is judged on the right outcome. Finally, send the test. Before you hit send, take a moment to review each version, preview on desktop and mobile, and make sure links, images, and personalization look correct. Once everything is in place, launch your A/B test and let Moosend do the heavy lifting of delivering the versions and collecting the data. That's all it takes to start optimizing your campaigns with confidence.